Hi guys, welcome back to Slime Life, and in today's video, my last, excuse me,
Wait a minute,
oh yes, my neck, I'm busy, my neck is green because my color in my hair, it's from Walmart, and I sprayed my color in my hair, so yeah.
Do it up good.
I don't even know why I did that. But yeah, so in today's video, in my last video I told you guys what I was doing, but so in today's video I'm going to be doing two slimes. I'm going to be making two slimes, and one is going to be a butter slime with baby powder, made with baby powder, and the other one is going to be fluffy slime made with shaving cream. So in today's video, so I don't have any food coloring. But yeah, so let's get started, guys. And be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And please like this video, not dislike. And please comment down below and subscribe down below. Okay, guys. So the materials you need for this video is 2 bottles of Elmer's school glue, baby powder, a mixing tool, activator, I'm using borax, a bowl or plate to make your slime in. I would suggest a bowl instead of a plate. And last but not least, some shaving cream. And this shaving cream is from Walmart, and this is raspberry flavor, and it smells so good. So guys, the first slime that I'm going to make is butter slime. So first I'm gonna pour your glue into your bowl. And guys, I love slime, in case you guys didn't know.
Where's your pacifier?
So you're gonna put a lot of baby powder in. Not like a lot, but because it'll make your slime not stretchy, so
what are you doing, Jack?
You don't want to add too much in.
Oh no! I give him his new pacifier.
And I'll show you one slime that I already made like just a few minutes ago before this video. And we got cookout tonight for dinner. So next I would add food coloring, but I don't have any. No, I would add this, then food coloring.
Well, I don't know, but he has Jackson's too. You want to fry?
Yeah, give him a fry. That's what he's looking around for.
Yeah.
Alright. It's good. Whoa, it's making me want to sneeze. Now you're gonna mix.
Oh, I love that popping, cracking sound.
Oh! Brings back memories.
Yeah, it does.
This slime is gonna be like really buttery.
Yeah,
You know, clay butter slimy. You know what I mean.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I think that's
Ew, it's really clumpy. I think I added too much baby powder. So I'm gonna do.
Yeah, y'all definitely need to teach him how to dance. He knows how to dance.
Well, I got baby powder all over me. And I got it in my eyes.
Here.
So
78.
I don't know what they're doing. They're crazy. And they're old.
I'm really impressed with that.
Okay, that's good slime. Okay, guys, so next material you will be needing to add in is a teeny tiny drop of shaving cream.
Oh, you can't.
That's good. Oh, this shaving cream smells so freaking good, guys. Wow, this is like not that much slime at all, and it's 1 bottle of glue.
Well, let him get that cigarette case.
A little teeny tiny bit more. Big powder.
record player, can you tell? Or a record player or whatever. Yeah.
Mom, Cassie, she got from Desiree. She's got 2 kids.
Oh God.
Yeah. There's one looks just like this one. And it's got blue eyes. Oh, I was wrong.
Damn.
I'm not allowed to have cats no more.
Why?
I don't eat them.
Oh.
That's why I gave the 2 away.
Oh my God. Look at that. Yeah, he's rough. He got.
Sorry guys, I kind of just left you guys. My bad. I had to do something important. Alright guys, so next you're gonna activate, well you would add food coloring, but I don't have any guys. So you're gonna add a teeny tiny bit of borax at a time. Wow, this slime doesn't want to activate. Oh, there it goes. Well, that was quick. Wow, it needs a lot more.
Yeah.
Well, not a lot more, but, you know, a little bit more. Wow, this is really buttery.
I know.
This is like a really, really buttery slime. Wow.
Yeah.
What is that?
Hey, Will. Y'all be gonna yell next month. Ouch. You bit me.
Yeah, I was putting the chicken balls in the pan and it bite my hand. Look.
You did so bite me. You bit me.
Oopsies.
What are you doing? Did it come with the remote?
Oh my God! You really got there, man.
Mommy, look at this one.
They're burnt. I'm glad I don't get French fries.
Yeah.
You still work at Domino's? Or?
Yeah.
Fix your shirt.
This is a butter slime.
I will go take a shower while Gammy's got PJ calm, cool, and collected.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, I was off. I don't go back till Monday. I took Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off.
Bring me a diaper.
Woman. Desiree called out of work today.
Did she?
Yeah, the baby was sick. Which, I mean, they didn't need her anyway. Demon child come up to me the other day and she punched me right in the stomach.
Who?
Aiden.
Oh.
Aiden is mean.
He comes over and goes, Holly. When I go with you. Holly. I said, you go up, I'm on this. Not right now, I got a house full. Holly. You got a binky? No.
I asked him the other day, I said, what you been doing? He said, I've been sitting in my house. I'm like, all right.
Sorry guys, I keep on going away from you guys.
Well, I was smacking him with it.
My aunt or cousin or whatever is here. You guys don't really care, that's why I didn't. Yeah. This is a really good butter slime, actually. Very stretchy.
Whole thing.
And then Harry didn't eat much of his damn exercise when he had stayed there 5 days. He didn't eat much over there either. He was he said, y'all put me in jail.
Get off of that.
Oh, well,
Yeah, you made the shit out of
the
it.
container that I use that I'm using for this slime.
Some of them are juicy. Last time they didn't do that.
This is the container that I'm using
Are they always juicy on the
for
bottom?
it. Okay, next is a fluffy slime.
The tops?
So in fluffy slime, you don't add baby powder. So yeah.
Which one's the juicy on top?
Oh my god, guys, I love making slime. Like I'm obsessed with slime. I'm
I
obsessed
think it
with
sticks better when you
slime.
don't put water on it.
Like I'm gonna cry.
Water and some without.
I don't even know what's wrong with me. I'm weird.
I did some with water.
Very crazy. Very
The one
weird.
with bones,
Very
what do they look
crazy.
like?
What I did with water.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no. Oh babe. I like your stuff. Do, 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 do.
I'm going to eat them, that's all I
I'm
can
reading
say.
them too, but I think they're not done. Because these pork chops are thicker than the other ones. So like,
Do, 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 do.
Yeah, the ones with that.
I'm trying to put the borax top in on the glue.
Oh,
This is like a really, I grabbed a piece of it. This is like a really old fluffy slime. Like it is not stretchy. That's why I threw it away. I did have 4 bottles of glue, but I used a bottle of glue on this slime and I added too much shaving cream. So yeah. Alright, next guys, we need to add shaving cream. So I'm going to shake this up first. That's good because I'm going to add too much.
Anybody
Then you're
ever
gonna
heard of
mix.
food for less store?
no, you asked me. I said no.
Well, that's where the money went to. $80-some. It says it's a big store like a Aldi and.
Okay, I did not add too much shaving cream this time, and I am so excited.
Or something like that.
Here's one of my fluffy slimes that I want to show you guys.
Something that was made today, and the car was in my pocket.
Yeah.
Let me get on Google.
How did somebody use it as a
We don't know.
And guys, just wondering,
Asking them had my card number.
just saying, guys, they said my name, but
And
they
call it
were,
in, and they'll bring it, you don't need a
they
card.
didn't mean to say my name.
But this says is it some kind of a big store like that, and it
I'm gonna keep on adding shaving cream until it gets really hard to mix
Burger
and
King
stuff.
and something like that. So I'm trying to figure out what.
Oh yeah,
things
right
they're
now,
doing that-
I need to stop adding shaving cream because look,
Hot dog buns,
doesn't want to,
hot dog place,
go down.
they are so amazing. Yeah, I got the hot dog with the barbecue pulled pork. They put potato salad and beans on them.
Where is this at?
And mine's right there next to the
What's the
Panda
name of it?
buns.
Oh my god, borax just ran down my leg. Oh my god, now my leg is burning. Kidding.
Yeah.
Just kidding, guys. My leg is not burning. But borax did run down my leg. Oh my god, I need to stop, guys, because, like, I am, like, I don't know. I have a lot of shaving cream and not even that much glue, guys. But guess what? I'm getting down the glue tomorrow.
Ready? You ready?
Wow, that's very, ugh.
I got him out in the car.
I hope he feels better.
He's so burnt too.
Oh, he's sunburnt?
That too.
Oh, Lord.
He went fishing today and he thought he was gonna be okay. He was like lobster.
I'll be there. All right, be careful.
Bye! Okay, this is very sticky.
I guess my
Food
sunburn
for
going
less
in.
food. Prepaid debit card.
But it's the 4 is a actual 4, it's not FOUR.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Well, that's where my money went. That's the thing. It only has like
Oh my god,
mine went to
guys.
California.
Of course, the slime has to
Yes.
be too messed up, and I activated
that
it too
one.
much.
They got
I ordered something from California.
must have, I don't know, yeah. But they said it's a grocery store.
Maybe I need more glue.
California.
I don't have any more glue.
The purchase was made on the 23rd. 2 purchases. Went to California, and my card is in my pocketbook. So whoever had my numbers is where it went. It's gotta be them. Veolia or something. California is where the store's at.
Damn me.
Yeah.
She just farted. Damn it, did you fart? Damn, he farted. Slime. Okay, now guys, the slime that I just made a couple minutes ago is this slime, and this slime is like so freaking
That's
good,
what I'm trying to
guys.
say.
Like, it's a really teeny tiny batch,
Oh,
but I love it. Not that pokey, but fluffy slime sometimes isn't pokey that good. I really wish I had some food coloring. Maybe if I add maybe like water to this, or like borax. Do a little bit of borax.
How much exactly was it?
This
One
is a
purchase
color,
was for 23
but too
something,
bad it has
and
borax. Oh well.
one was for 65 something.
Oh.
65 something, 23 something.
Ew, it had hair in it. Oh my god, I need to get the hair out. Yeah, this didn't help with slime at all. Like, it didn't help it color. No! It would be blue if, like, it would be blue if, guys, if, you guys know. You guys know, guys. You guys know, huh?
You get sticky. I want to know what you get that pacifier, little man.
Yeah, this didn't help the color at all. Maybe a little bit color. Not much though. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down, and subscribe down below and like down below. And hit the like. Comment down below and subscribe down below. And guys, please do that. I'm begging you guys.
What are you doing?
And be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.